Only 5 of the students have joined the class till now. The students are very slow in joining the class. Let's wait for another minute, then we will start.
Sir, Paras Gupta is present.
अच्छा भैया.
And sir, I am saying you that today you will explain. Today we will do the chapter exercise of chapter number which third. No. Which
Bills.
chapter number? Yes,
Bill.
sir.
We are doing the chapter bills, and we have
Yes,
done
sir.
one question of it. I gave you the fourth question. Have you all done it? Fourth one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer?
Hello.
Sir, the answer is
Tell me the answer, all of you.
Hello.
Give me the answer, Parth Gupta.
Hello.
Sir, can I tell the answer?
Sir, can
Yes.
you hear me?
Ashmira, yes, give the answer.
Sir, I have done fourth one. Sir, can you
41.
hear me?
The answer is 1412. So answer is 141180.
141180. Okay. Others, what is your answer of the fourth question of the exercise? Do you want me to do this on the board?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I am doing it on the board. Yeah.
Sir, we are doing properties of triangle.
Arey nahi. We are doing the chapter bills. What is the chapter number? Page number? Tell me the page number. It is chapter 15 or 14? 14, I think.
Sir, page number 111.
111.
Number 1.
Yeah, chapter 13. Chapter 13, question 4. Exercise 16.1. Keep your mics off. Question number 4. I gave you this question yesterday. So I am doing it on the board. You all can check your answers. A manager of a hotel has to buy some furniture for new rooms. So in the place of customer's name, you can write Hotel XYZ. I told you this yesterday because it is for a hotel. So in place of customer's name, you can write Hotel XYZ. Now you can prepare a bill. So serial number, then the second one is description. The third column, it is quantity. Then cost per unit. And finally, the total cost. Total cost. Okay. So you all have to draw this table with the help of a pencil and a scale. Use pencil and scale to draw the table. So first item, what he bought, the manager bought 3 beds. He buys 3 beds at rupees 18,750 each. Beds. The first item is a bed. How many beds? 3 beds he bought. What is the cost of one bed? It is rupees 18,750.
Sir, please see.
18,750 is the cost of one bed. Second thing, what he bought? Second thing, 4 small tables. 4 tables. He bought 4 tables. Small tables. How many small tables? 4. What is the price of one table? Price of each table is rupees 3,700. 3,700 is the price of one table. Then he bought some chairs, 12 chairs. 12 chairs, and the price of each chair is rupees 875. Rupees 875. Price of each chair. 3 dressing tables. Number 4, dressing tables. So dressing tables. This is dressing tables.
3. Sir, 3.
How many dressing tables?
3.
3 dressing tables. And what is the price of one table?
9,000.
Table 9,010.
4,100.
9,410. Okay. And anything else?
Television.
And 4 televisions. He bought 4 TV sets. So fifth one, TV. Simply you can write TV. You can write the full form also. So this is it. And finally you will do the total. Grand total. You will write the grand total here. What is the cost of how many TVs he bought? He bought 4 TVs. And what is the price of each TV? It is 7,850
1,850.
rupees. 7,850 is the cost of one TV. Now you have to multiply and write the products here in the last column. So cost of one unit, one bed is 18,750. Cost of one bed. What will be the cost of three beds?
Sir, 56,250.
56,250. 2,250. 54,000. Yes, correct. Rupees 56,250. This is the cost of three beds. Then what is the cost of four small tables? One table is the cost is 3,700. Cost of
Sir,
four tables.
14,800.
Let me just calculate it. 4 into 7 is 28. 14,000, correct. 14,800 is the cost of four small tables. Cost of 12 chairs.
10,500.
10,500. Okay, let me see. Let me just check. 875. $10,500. Am I right?
Yes.
This will be 10,500 is the cost of.
Yes, sir.
Multiply 12 and 875. 12 multiplied by 875 is 10,500. Okay, so this is the cost of 12 chairs. What is the cost of three dressing tables? Now these are dressing.
28,230.
Is it 28,300? Sorry, 28,230. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
28,230.
Yes, sir.
28,230. This is the cost of three dressing tables. Then finally, four TV sets. Cost of one TV is
31,400.
850.
31,400.
3,400. 28,000. 31,400. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
31,400 is the cost of four TVs. 31,400.
Okay, sir.
Now you add all these, you will get the grand total. So what is the
Sir,
grand total?
141,180.
Let's see. 0, 5 plus 3, 8. 2 plus 8, 10, 15, 15 plus 2, 17, 17 plus 4, 21. 2.
1, 4, 1,
8,
1,
12,
1.
20, 21 again. 2. 7,
Now,
8,
sir,
9, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1,41,180. 1,41,180 is the grand total. Check your answers, all of you.
So my answer is correct.
My answer is correct.
So my answer is correct.
Very good. Those who have not done, they can note down. I hope you all have understood this. It is very simple.
Yes, sir. Now this question he will do.
Do the second one.
Sir, yesterday you were saying that you will explain the second one.
Okay, let me just explain second one. I will explain. Let the others also do this. The one which is on the board. Till then, you all can try the second one. I will explain it.
I mean,
Are you all doing the second one?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Orange.
Okay, now the second one. Have you all done this? I'm going to remove this from the board.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So second question.
Yes, sir.
So I have got my bill printed. Now I just have to fill the bill. The copy of bill is printed. Just have to fill. Yeah. Question number 2. So in question 2, Anil went shopping for fruits. There is a person, the name of the customer is Anil.
Anil.
He went for shopping of fruits and vegetables, and he bought 2 dozen oranges at rupees 15 per dozen. He bought 2 dozen oranges. So first thing is oranges.
Yes.
How many oranges he bought?
2,000.
Quantity is 2 dozen.
26.
2 dozen oranges he bought at rupees 15 per dozen. Rupees 15 per dozen.
24 answer.
One whole 1/2 kgs of apples. He bought 1/2 kgs apples. How much apples? 3/2. 1/2 is also equal to 3/2. Do you all know how to convert a mixed fraction in an improper fraction? You all know this now. So this will be 3/2 kgs of apples he bought. And what is the price of apple? Rupees 20 per
20
kg.
per kg.
Rupees 20 per kg is the price. He bought 1/4 kg of grapes. He bought grapes. What is the quantity of grapes? 1/4 kg. 1/4 kgs of grapes. And what is the price of grapes? Rupees 40 per kg. 40 rupees per kg is the price.
Kg.
5 kg of potatoes at rupees 7 per kg.
7 per kg.
Potatoes, he bought potatoes. How much potatoes? 5 kgs of potato. And what is the price of potatoes given? 7 rupees per kg.
Per
Okay. 3 kg of onions. Onions, he bought
10.
3 kg.
Hello?
3 kg onions. And what is the price of onions? Rupees
6.50.
6.50. Rupees 6.50 is the price of onions per kg. 2 kg of tomato. One more thing is there. Tomatoes are also there. So this is not your grand total.
So there's after tomato there's
Cauliflower also.
So another row you have to draw. The sixth item. The sixth item is tomatoes.
tomato.
And sir, the 7th is cauliflowers.
One more is there.
Yes, sir.
Shopping kariye sir.
Yes, sir.
After this, one more is there. इतनी सारी vegetables की तो नाम भी नहीं मालूम मुझे. What is the sixth one? It is tomatoes. And how much tomatoes he bought? Rupees 2 kgs tomatoes. 2 kg of tomatoes he bought at the rate of rupees 12.
12 kg.
Rupees 12 per kg. Okay. You will write the quantity in this column and the price in this column. And then the cauliflower. 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 Cauliflower.
So 3.2 kg.
What is cauliflower? Gobi. Gobi को बोलते हैं cauliflower. Am I right?
Yes.
1/2 kg. That is
Sir, gobi.
30.
3/2 kgs of gobi. He bought 3/2 kgs of cauliflower. Then what is the price of cauliflower? It is rupees 15 per
50 per kg.
rupees 15 per kg. Now let us find the cost of each item. 2 dozen oranges and the cost of 1 dozen is 15. That means 30 rupees.
30.
30 rupees oranges. 3 by 2 into 20. 10 into
Sir,
2,
30.
again 30. When you multiply 3 upon 2 by 20, you will get 30. Do you all know how to multiply a fraction with a whole number? This we have done in the chapter
Yes,
fraction.
sir. Excuse me,
आपको
sir.
याद है chapter fraction हमने इसी बार पढ़ा था.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes बेटा.
Sir, I have done second one.
Very good.
Sir, the grand total is 171.
171. इतनी सारी शॉपिंग कर ली and 171 rupees only.
Yes, sir.
हमें टेंशन दे रही है इस आदमी ने और कुछ नहीं. 3 by 2 kgs he bought apples and what is the
10,
price?
sir, 10.
So this will be 10, 30 rupees and 10. 1 by 4 kg of grapes यानी कि 250 ग्राम
Sir, 10.
में अंगूर खरीदे हैं. So that is rupees 10. 1 by 4 kgs of grapes and the price is rupees 40 per kg. So 1 upon 4 multiplied by 40 is equal to 10. Do you want to ask how we are doing this? How to multiply a fraction with a whole number? You all know this?
Yes.
Sir, please explain again.
How to multiply a fraction and a whole number? This thing you have to ask. You want to ask this? How to multiply?
Yes, sir.
Beta, this
Yes,
we have done
sir.
in chapter fractions. 1 upon 4 multiplied by 40. So you multiply the numerator first. 1 into 40. It is 40. Write the denominator same. What is the
40
denominator?
multiplied by 4. 4 that was
Divided by 4.
160.
Divided by 4 is 10. Got it? 1 into 40 is 40. Then you divide 40 by 4. Answer is 10. Got it? This is how you are going to do it. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Any other problem?
No, sir.
5 into 7, 35 rupees. Then he bought 3 kgs of onions. What is the price of onions? 6 rupees 50 paise.
Sir, 19.50.
Yes, 19 rupees.
Sir, 19.50.
19 rupees 50 paise. ये सबको आता होगा करना. 19 rupees 50 paise is the cost of.
Sir, the next is 24 kg. Means 24 rupees.
So 24 rupees.
24 rupees, 24 kg.
And 3 by 2 kg of.
30. Sir, 30. Sir, wait.
This will be 40. See how to do this, all of you. I am telling you how to do this. Everyone, the last one.
Okay, sir.
Cauliflower की cost कैसे निकालेंगे? You all have to do see this on the board. Everyone, I want your concentration on the board. 3 upon 2 kg. And 15 rupees is the price. So 3 upon 2
answer.
multiply by 15. What is the product of 3 and 15? The product is 45. 45 upon 2. So now here you will find the answer. 45 is not divisible by 2. So you will find the answer in decimal. You all know how to divide 45 by 2. Can you find the answer in decimal? Let me show how to do it. 45 divided by 2. Let me show how to do it to find the answer in decimal. So 2,
Yes, sir. We should divide.
45. So 2 2s are 2.
4.
Remainder
4.
2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Remainder 0. Then you copy 5.
2 2 are 4.
Again 2 2s are 4. When you subtract, you get 1 as the remainder. You are getting 1 as the remainder. So what to do in this case? You put a decimal.
22 point
Put a decimal here. And
decimal.
here also, both the places you put a decimal and then write a 0. You copy down the 0 now.
5. 22.5 rupees.
5 times it will go and remainder will be 0. So this is how you can do it.
Yes,
What is
sir.
the answer? 22.5. 22.5.
Okay, sir.
0.5.
Point
Or
5.
you can also write it as 0.50. That is also correct. You can
Okay, sir.
add as many zeros in the last. No problem in that. So why I am
Okay,
adding
sir.
a 0 here? Because I
Sir,
want.
now can we start writing?
Now you can add the numbers. Add the numbers.
Sir, once,
60, 70, 80, 80, 90, 20, 80, 90, sir, 100, 105, 105 plus 24. Arey, 105 plus 24.
Hey, keep your mic off.
24.
Sir,
Keep your mic off.
100.
Gaurav, पहले जानी, keep your mic off.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let us add these numbers. 0, 0, 1 carry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and 9. 15. 15 plus 6. 21. 1. 2 carry. 5 plus 3. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Rupees 171. This is the grand total. 171 rupees. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Have you all understood?
Yes,
Understood?
sir.
Note down in your copies.
Yes, sir.
Very lengthy question. Lot of calculation is there in the question, but it is good. It's good to have some questions like this also, where the students have to work hard. The board is clear to all of you. Any problem?
Yes, sir.
Daksh Mehrotra, what do you want? Daksh Mehrotra, what do you want? Do you want me to remove you from the meeting? I will not allow you in my class if you do like this.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, as you are the math teacher, so sir, who is the father of Vedic maths?
Who is the father? There, beta, there is no father of Vedic maths.
Sir, please tell one more time.
No, sir, who invented Vedic math?
Beta, there is no particular person who invented Vedic maths. There are Vedic maths is actually shortcut methods or methods to make our calculation fast, easier.
Yes, sir.
So that is
Sir,
Vedic
you know,
maths.
I got,
It's-
sir, you know, I got, well, you know, I got bronze medal in Vedic math.
Very good. Next time, I hope you will get a gold medal also. That's good that you got the bronze medal. Very good. Congratulations. Yeah.
And
In
sir,
which
one time
competition?
I got silver also.
In which competition?
Sir, I have done.
So, sir, actually, I go to Abacus in Rampur Garden. No, sir, Rampur Garden not. It is one colony